Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Avila Kathrene Lyngdoh nakaskul not Liberty Higher Secondary School Jawai. Kabalawan Kyrdan Kaba Nyngkong ne first position haka top 20 haka result Meghalaya Board of School Education jong exam secondary school living certificate kabalapan bana haka santarik weyong arjarapsan. Avila Kathrene Lyngdoh kabadai ka khon jong kong markam ni Lyngdoh ot uma pols na kalayo distinction habaro ki subject but yo sanspa prafu marks. Halo kan jing job jongka ka Avila Kathrene Lyngdoh kelapan pau ya jing keman ka bakrau ringkat ka jing aingu yu blai padai lingba ka jing don ringkat jong u kala poi sya ka ni ka thong.
First of all, I would like to thank God, our Almighty God, for giving us this beautiful day, for always blessing us. And second of all, I would like to thank my dear parents, which are present here, my father, my mom, who have helped me in my studies. Without them, I wouldn't be here, and especially our dearest principal in the school, who has helped me. All the teachers has played an important role, and this is why I've been able to succeed. They've never turned their backs. They've always helped me when I asked them to. When I got the result, I will admit it, but I was shell-shocked. Not because I was not expecting it, but because it felt so great. All throughout the year, I've been studying, putting in all the effort I could, studying. Even while eating, sometimes I would still think of books. So I really did think that, okay, God will really reward me for my hard work. But it's just that when I saw my name on the first rank, it kind of shook something in me. I felt grateful, I felt happy that my hard work has paid off. So yes, overall, when I saw my result, I felt a bit overwhelmed, but at the same time, it was only because I was happy that all my hard work and effort throughout the year has paid off. Regarding my aspiration, I actually will say I have not yet decided. Yes. But, there's a but. I'm planning that in whatever field I take, whatever job or work I do later on in my life, I want to excel in it. I want to give my all, to study my best. And regarding my aspiration, I would say my motto is to work hard no matter what. Like my father and my mother has always taught me the importance of hard work. No matter where I am in life, I'll work hard. So my main aspiration is just to keep putting in the effort, whatever I do. And an advice that I have to give to all the other students, the younger students, including the older ones, I would think it would be effort. Of course, it's a common thing. It's common knowledge to know that effort is very important to succeed in anything in life. But I believe most of the time we forget, especially in this growing world today. A lot of distractions, and people keep forgetting that we have to put in a lot of effort. Throughout my studying for this year, even before, I put in a lot of effort, and yes, my routine was not perfect. Sometimes I feel I wasn't able to study, but the best thing of all was that I was able to get up again. Whenever I fall down, I get up again. So it's a cycle. So to all the other students, I want to tell them that you don't have to be perfect to start right now. Start wherever you are, start studying. Maybe they did not work hard before, but they still have a chance now. They should start even if they've already fallen down. They should start now and continue to put in their effort. And whenever they work with all their mind and heart, because if we do anything half-heartedly or just for the sake of doing it or just for marks, then we won't be able to succeed in life. So yes, I request and I encourage everyone to put in the effort to do something that will make them happy to continue to grow in life and to develop. My stream for 11-12 and for onwards, I'm going to choose science. Science?
And why?
Science and why? Well, because I've been interested in biology, we could say. There's a lot of things that fascinates me about it, and I've also had an aim to learn more about the subject, more about what is all about life, how we came to be here, all about the chemicals, physics that is taking place, Basically, I want to learn more about our surroundings, about us human beings, and how life works.
Thanks to God for giving us a blessing through our good children. And we are also very grateful to the school, to the principal, Sir Richard, all the teachers, all the staff, and all the students of the school who contribute to the success of our daughter. Yes, we know that the school has done its responsibility for giving success to our daughter. And also I would like to thank my wife, because she is most of the time with my daughter at home while I was away, either in office or in some other engagement. And it was her mother who has nurtured her much to bring to this great success. To tell the parents, do not pressure your children to study hard, but always advise them to study joyfully. Because that was my message to my children. Don't study hard. Sometimes pressing, study hard, they get tension. I always advise them, study joyfully. Like a fisherman going for fishing to what to do even during the night or difficult times. But because it is their passion, their hobby, they do it joyfully, and it becomes leisure in life. Thank you.